been fearless, I let them feel this. You know I spit it no cap when I kill this. I'm better hit them with the rest, let them hear this. Where this war tour better be a field trip. Yeah, sack it up and then I double it. No time for mumbling, show them where trouble is. Been on my team, plotting my things, living my dreams, yeah it's obscene. Word around here been blessed, everything I hear my best. The game looks clear, no test. Won't stop till my peer sesh. Won't stop, no I don't rest. All you wanna talk about is how rich you are. Made 1 million, about 50 cars. Your label sucks, stuck in a 360. Not Harrison, but I'm still indie. Absurd, yeah I'm a man of my word. The music finally better burst. They wanted me dead in a hearse. They wanna copy how I work. I hit them like, yeah good luck. From the sun up to the moon up. I made tracks on tracks, had views up. All these rappers lying with the rules up. I'm not one of them, they'll confuse us, huh? Man, I've been fearless, I let them feel this. You know I spit it no cap when I kill this. I'm better hit them with the rest, let them hear this. Where this war tour better be a field trip. Yeah, sack it up and then I double it. No time for mumbling, show them where trouble is. Been on my team, plotting my things, living my dreams, yeah it's obscene. Been that lost boy, but I'm still here. Crawling up, ain't got no fears. Put me on the map and I'ma show them rap. All that fake stuff, got no time for that in my pain. Turned it into a new elegant lane. Really better win and then put in the shame. Show them what fire is burning for days. Music just won't be the same. They just wanna see me fail. Every time I will avail. All their music sounded stale. My music the holy grail. Been too long to quit, I made too many waves, yeah. About to feel the bliss when I step foot on stage, yeah. Man, I've been fearless, I let them feel this. You know I spit it no cap when I kill this. I'm better hit them with the rest, let them hear this. Where this war tour better be a field trip. Yeah, sack it up and then I double it. No time for mumbling, show them where trouble is. Been on my team, plotting my things, living my dreams, yeah it's obscene.
Fearless, I let them feel this. You know I spit it no cap when I kill this. I'm better hit them with the rest, let them hear this. Where this war tour better be a field trip. Yeah, sack it up and then I double it. No time for mumbling, show them where trouble is. Been on my team, plotting my things, living my dreams, yeah it's obscene.
Pain goes by when you just don't think about, when you just don't think about it, no. Pain goes by when you just don't think about, when you just don't think about it, no. I think my vision's getting blurry. Swear the Reaper's in a hurry. Yeah, I say I got no worries, but feels like nothing's gonna cure me. I don't really know why, been so damn sick of this ride. Just one off so I can feel normal for once. Fantasize about gripping the gun. And I got lots of problems, medicated to solve them. Slowly I've been falling, slowly I've been falling. I got lots of problems, medicated to solve them. Slowly I've been falling, slowly I've been falling. No, no.
Voices loud in my head. I don't want no more drugs. Voices loud in my head. I don't want no more.
Pain goes by when you just don't think about, when you just don't think about it, no. Pain goes by when you just don't think about, when you just don't think about it, no. I've been living by myself, my parents saying find help, but therapy is kinda scary, yeah that's what my brain repels. I've been living sedentary, driving past the cemetery, couple feet right from my house. If that's the end then I want out. I got lots of problems, medicated to solve them. Slowly I've been falling, slowly I've been falling. I got lots of problems, medicated to solve them. Slowly I've been falling, slowly I've been falling.